Hi everyone and welcome back to another tool journey. So this came through the post. It's another WORKPRO product. This one is WO31390AU 6.5 inch screw extraction pliers. So I think you probably know what it is from that. So made by WORKPRO. You know what? WORKPRO seem to know how to package their tools. That's brilliant. It just puts it up there. So here we go. Here's what we're looking at. WORKPRO extractors. There we go. Got their logo on the front there, on the handle. 6.5 inches it says. So what's that in millimeters? 165. 165 millimeters. Brilliant. You know, quality on the handles. Superb. For a DIYer, these are up there. I'm telling you, these are up there. That's just on the visual, but how they operate is another thing. So you got your, where's my, so here's my block. Should we try it out? And then we'll try out the cutting. So we'll try it on the small one first. Maybe I should try this on a rusted screw, but I haven't got one at hand. Yeah, that's removing it. Let's try it on the bigger one. I must admit, it does fit. It does fit in there. It just needs to grip it. You know what? Oh. It does grip it, but it keeps on slipping off. Why is it slipping off? You know what? I'm going to unscrew that and put it in a different place. Right. Replaced it to another place. Let's try again. I reckon it's not going to do it this time. So I've got it. Sorry for the angle, but I just need to give it as much chance as I can, because that's what you'll be doing out in the field. Wow, that has loosened it. That is in tight, but that has actually loosened. Loosened? That is. So you could do it this way as well. No. Yeah, definitely this way. But you can also do it this way. That's brilliant, that is. That has, just tightening it up now. But you just got to be careful that you don't pinch your hands, fingers even. That has worked. You know what? That's actually worked. Let me go and get my engineer. Hold on 1 minute. So, got my engineer. So there is a size difference. What was this one again? So roughly 159.57. Yeah, 157. And this one was what? 6.5 inches. Yeah, roughly 6.5 inches, but it's 165 millimeters. So the difference. Can you see the difference there? Let's see what you can see where it's gone shiny, but both sides. But it's gripped it really well. It really has. I suppose on this one you've got more surface area to grip round. You know what, I'm going to give these another shot. Let's see if I can. Oh, these are doing it. Actually, I must have been holding it wrong when I did my last video on these. I'll take that back. Yeah, this will do it. Fantastic. Never doubted you, engineer. But WORKPRO, brilliant. But will it be as good as these on cutting? But you can see the quality on the cuts is not too bad on these, but how long would these last? If you've got a pair of these and you've had them for a long time, comment down below the cutting action. You know what? These are cutting really well. Oh my God. They're well done, WORKPRO. I'm really chuffed with that. This is making me think on whether, you know what, I need to do a proper video on just the cutting actions on all the pliers, the WORKPRO set. If you've seen that video, the WORKPRO set, the Knipex set, engineers, WORKPRO. I can't think of anything else. I have got my eyes on another electrician's wire strippers, but I'm just going to see if I can get them on the right price. But WORKPRO, well done for now. You've seen me other videos on WORKPRO tools. I've got nothing bad to say about them, really. You know, in the end, let's get its box and see what it can do, how well it grabs. That is really well. You can see the gap and how closely they fit. They fit really well at the front. But then again, could work on their finish slightly at an angle. But they're working. Is that just me, or let me know down in the comments. Is that just my eyes, or is it actually on a slant? Let's see if I can get it. No, that is on a slant. I haven't got anything to. Anyway, never mind. But WORKPRO comes in bubble wrap, extra protection, especially where Amazon is, and just a leaflet. So it'd be nice if WORKPRO actually gave you information about the tool, but all we've got here is 6.5 inch screw extraction pliers. It's number, who made them, who the manufacturer is and where they were made. and the address where they were made. Okay, that's brilliant. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to end this video. Happy with the WORKPRO. So let's finish it on this one, and I'll see you on the next one. But before you go, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. Helps the channel grow, helps me bring more content like this. I'll see you on the next one.